Hi guys! We will discuss today how a user can change their password in SAP Business One. For security purposes, a user might initiate to change his or her password. And to do this, the user needs to go to the administration module of SAP Business One. So after clicking the administration module, the user needs to locate the setup subfolder and click the general subfolder. After clicking the general subfolder, the user needs to locate the security subfolder and click the change password. After clicking the change password, this interface will open and the user can now nominate his or her new password. So the user will indicate the old password and then nominate the new password and confirm. After entering the new nominated password, the user can now access SAP Business One using the new credentials that had been set on the system. And that's all for today. And for more tips and tricks about SAP Business One, kindly hit subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you and bye-bye.